So here's a little secret. Most founders don't have a product problem, they have a message problem. If people visit your website but don't sign up, it's not because your idea or your product sucks or it's bad, it's because they don't see why it matters to them. Hey, I'm Wadness, ex TikTok, Spotify, and Hypebeast marketer, and now I help founders build smart, simple growth strategies so customers get it, trust it, and stick around. In this video, I'll show you the three biggest reasons your message might be falling flat and how to fix them fast. If you're not getting signups or sales, you're likely missing one of these. One, connection. Do you really understand how your audience thinks and talks? A mistake to avoid, writing like a pitch deck. You're not talking to investors, you're talking to people. Number two, differentiation. Can someone tell you apart from everyone else? Mistake to avoid, sounding like your competitors. If you copy them, you're forgettable. Mistake number three, meaning. Are you able to build something people want to believe in, not just use? Mistake to avoid, talking about features. People don't care about features, they care about why that feature matters to them. When you fix these three things, connection, differentiation, and meaning, people pay more attention. You get better customers, they stick around, and they tell others. Ask yourself, where are people tuning out? What part of your message gets zero responses? Am I just selling a tool or something people actually care about? All right, boom. So here's a story. I worked with an early stage startup called Travel Trunk, and their whole focus was simplifying group trip and making it easier. Their website had this as their homepage message. Planning a group trip has never felt so good. Nice words, but too vague. We use a simple strategy called a beachhead approach. That means you focus on one small group of people with a big problem and talk to them directly. So we changed their headline to more laughs, less financial drama. It spoke right to the person who plans the trip and stresses over splitting money. Before the change, zero signups to their homepage website. After we changed the website, added updated positioning and messaging, we were able to get 45 signups in one day. No ads, no hacks, just the right message. So you're probably wondering, how does this apply to you? So if you're a founder building anything, you probably think you need more traffic first. You don't. You need a clearer message. If you're thinking it's too early, even better. This is the cheapest time to fix it. Or you don't know where to start, don't worry. I got something to help. So I made a free quiz called the Culture Market Fit Quiz. It helps you figure out what's working, what's not, and how to fix it first. It only takes 2 minutes and it's completely free. It gives you a clear action plan on how to grow. Click the link below to take the quiz. And if this helped, leave a comment and tell me which of the three gaps you're going to work on first.